Yes, student, we have discussed in our previous video that glucose having open chain structure. But actually, student, there are some more reactions which shows that glucose do not having the open chain structure. Like here, some evidences against the Fischer projection where that the aldehyde group present compound must react with sodium bisulfite and ammonia, but glucose do not react. Okay, glucose does not give the Schiff test and 2,4-DNP test as the other aldehyde gives, but glucose do not gives. Glucose pentastate does not react with hydroxylamine, but the simple aldehydic containing compound and the hydroxyl group containing compound, aldehydic group containing compound gives the reactions, but glucose does not give such reactions. That is the open chain structure. If it is having, then these reactions are not possible. Are you getting? So, what should be the new structure of glucose? So that the Haworth suggested that actually glucose is having the closed chain structure, that is cyclic, that is the ring structure. Okay, and he suggested how this ring structure is formed. This ring structure is formed by converting the free aldehydic group into a ring form. That is the first carbon atom. This is the first carbon atom of glucose is connected with the fifth carbon atom. Connected with the fifth carbon atom. Thus, there is no free aldehydic group, and therefore glucose do not give some reactions of free aldehydic group. Isn't it? Means what? Means aldehyde group is present, but it is not free. Okay, it is in ringed form. Are you getting? So, what should be the reactions? The reactions are as, that is after Mutter rotation, that is after converting the first and fifth carbon atom joined by the oxygen, which shows that the functional group aldehyde is not free. Getting? So, two structures are formed. You have to watch these two structures, how the structure is formed. Look at here, the first carbon atom and the double bond containing oxygen. These double bond containing oxygen joined carbon atom number first and carbon atom number fifth. Okay, and the OH present in fifth carbon atom is now shifted to first carbon atom. Now, on the basis of shifting of OH in first carbon atom, if it is shifted to right side of first carbon atom, this is called alpha D positive glucose. But if the same OH group is shifted left side of first carbon atom, this is the left side of first carbon atom, then this is termed as beta D glucose. This is again another type of nomenclature, alpha and beta. Getting? So these are called by the Mutter rotation. So glucose shows Mutter rotation. Now the bond between first and fifth carbon atom attached with the oxygen, it is not possible that this much length of bond should be there. It will become very weak, so it will broken very easily. That means what? That means now we can, if draw the structure in ring form, now the O will come near to first carbon atom as well as near to fifth carbon atom. Therefore now the hexagonal ring is formed by making the cyclic structure of glucose. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is fifth number carbon and this is what? Sixth number carbon. Okay, and now the first number carbon, if it is OH in the right side, will become alpha, and if it is written opposite direction, then will become beta. Student, you have to know one more very important thing. What? The pyrrole. Pyrrole is one of the compound in which 5 carbon atom and 1 oxygen atom is attached. That is the 6th carbon atom containing compound are called pyrrole. Now, this pyron is made up of glucose, therefore the compound become glucopyron. And we know that for the nomenclature the O suffix is given for carbohydrate, therefore overall name become glucopyranose. Okay, this is according to Haworth projection. Student, generally this is asked, draw the Haworth glucopyranose structure, then you have to draw this structure. Getting? Similarly student, next compound is what? Fructose. It is also similar, that is many of the properties of fructose is similar to glucose, like its molecular formula is C6H12O6. It is also monosaccharide, but the difference, the main difference is that in fructose there is a ketone group. Okay, there is no aldehyde group, but it is a ketone group. Being it is ketone group, therefore this sugar is known as ketose sugar. Now student, this sugar is generally found in fruits, therefore the name is given fruits fructose. So fructose sugar are ketose. Like glucose, it has also open chain structure and the cyclic structure. The open chain structure, in the second number carbon atom there is a functional group, that is C double bond O, which represents what? Ketone. Rest of the thing is similar to the glucose. Again it can be given by two structure by shifting the doubly bonded O, okay, by linking the second number of carbon atom with the fifth number of carbon atom by displacing the OH present in fifth number carbon atom. If this OH is shifted to right side, will named as alpha D fructose, and if it is shifted to left side, then we considered as beta D positive fructose. So two forms of fructose are there, alpha D and beta D, which gives different type of reactions. Student, again the bond length will become very large if the second and fifth carbon atom is attached with single oxygen, which is not possible. Therefore its ring structure or cyclic form is given, in which the first number carbon atom, second number carbon atom, and this is the fifth number carbon atom, they come close with the oxygen atom. Thus now it has what? Penta. This is hexagonal, but it is what? Pentagonal ring. In pentagonal ring there are 4 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, first number carbon is present as substituent above the second number, and the sixth number carbon atom is present above the fifth number carbon atom. Now student, you know that if a compound, cyclic compound, contains 5 number of atoms, that is called furan. This form is called furan, and being it is the structure of gained by the fructose, therefore name becomes fructofuran, and belongs to carbohydrate, therefore there is a suffix ose. So overall compound become fructofuranose. Again this is according to, this is of Fischer and this is of Haworth projection. Yes.